Opening. Hey there, this is Dr. Jacobs. If you're battling chronic pain or inflammation, today's video is just for you. I'm diving into 7 superfoods that can help you feel better naturally. Let's get started. Number 1. Turmeric. This golden spice contains curcumin, known for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. A study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine found that turmeric can be just as effective as ibuprofen for pain relief. Number 2. Ginger. Ginger isn't just great for nausea. It's packed with compounds called gingerols, which can reduce inflammation and pain. A study in the journal Arthritis and Rheumatism showed that ginger can significantly decrease knee pain from osteoarthritis. Number 3. Fatty fish. Think salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition highlights that omega-3s can help relieve joint pain and stiffness. Number 4. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are loaded with antioxidants, which help fight inflammation. A study in the Journal of Nutrition found that regular berry consumption can reduce markers of inflammation in the body. Number 5. Spinach. This leafy green is a powerhouse of nutrients, including vitamin K, which can help reduce inflammatory responses. According to research in the journal Nature, vitamin K plays a crucial role in managing inflammation. Number 6. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil contains oleocanthal, a compound with similar effects to ibuprofen for reducing pain and inflammation. The Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry published findings showing olive oil's benefits in managing inflammation. And finally, number 7. Nuts. Almonds, walnuts, and other nuts are rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber, all of which help reduce inflammation. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that regular nut consumption is linked to lower levels of inflammatory markers. Struggling with pain, fatigue, or inflammation? What if the food you eat is making it worse? In Eat to Heal, I reveal the ASTR diet, a simple science-backed approach to healing your body naturally. No complicated rules, just real solutions that work. If you're ready to take control of your health and feel better fast, click the link below to get your copy today. Thanks for watching and take care.